We're going to add a remote device to a remote site. You can do this by clicking on remote sites in the security toolbar. You could also get to the same area by double clicking on remote site in the group tree. We'll do the first one by going to the security toolbar. And we're in Allendale. If we had more groups, we might want to limit it. But since we only have North Jersey, all is the same as new remote sites in North Jersey. I'll just change it. And Allendale will open remote devices. And we'll create new device from template. And a lot of things are filled in from the template. The licenses, network enable, AES-256 enable, SSH enable are all checked. And we can enter a name we want to refer to the device as, or what we want to call the device. And we have the network properties. And fill in the device IP address. If I click in that address, it'll automatically fill in. And if you need to change that, you can do that. Syslog server, just to have a different address. I'm going to change the secondary IP address. OBM real-time logs are enabled. Heartbeat attributes are enabled. And you have information you can fill in on the right. Domain name service, SNMP attributes, and if you're using radius service. System options, I'll leave it at AES-256. And then you have your other options. Define ports if you want to change them. And then we'll save that device. We'll double click on Wallington. And since we're in Wallington, we'll do create. And we'll add a PA288 here. Okay, since it's a different device, some things have changed from the template. I'll network enable it and SSH enable it. And I'll enter the name for the device. Network properties, device IP address. And I'll click here to fill in the information. I'll just make up an address for the secondary IP address. Enable real-time logs is checked. Enable heartbeat attributes is checked. System options, AES-128 encryption. And we have the different kind of device modes. You have standard device default, auto authentication, RSA secure ID device, and standard device. Bypass security, in which the security was disabled. You have the information for DTR, RTS loss of signal. 5 and 5. And you can change the define ports if you need different information in there. And we'll save. Now we have a remote device at Allendale, and we have a remote device at Wellington.